A day without my phone. I woke up at 7:30 a.m. The sun was shining through the window. I reached for my phone like I do every morning, but it wasn't there. I checked the table, I checked my bag, I checked under the pillow. Nothing. Then I remembered. I had left my phone at my friend's house the night before. Panic hit me for a second. No phone? For the whole day? I took a deep breath. Maybe, just maybe, it would be okay. At breakfast, I didn't scroll through messages or watch videos. I simply sat, ate, drank tea. The silence felt strange, but slowly, it started to feel calm. I looked out the window. The trees were moving gently. A small bird landed on the windowsill. I noticed the sound of the wind, the smell of toasted bread. It felt nice. Usually, on the bus, I wear headphones. I look at the screen. I ignore everything else. But today, I just sat and looked around. A little girl was holding her dad's hand and asking questions about the clouds. An old man smiled at a baby. The driver waved to someone on the street. Everyone was living in the same world, and I was finally noticing it. When I got to the office, I told my coworkers I had no phone today. They laughed. One of them said, "You'll survive, maybe." Surprisingly, I worked better than usual. No notifications, no quick checks, no distractions. At lunch, instead of scrolling, I joined a small conversation near the coffee machine. We talked about music, travel, and books. "Hey," someone said, "you're more talkative today." I smiled. I had time before dinner. I walked through the park. The air smelled like fresh grass. A group of kids were playing soccer. An artist was painting near the pond. I sat on a bench and just watched. No photos, no selfies, just memories. Back home, I had dinner with my sister. We usually eat while watching something, but not tonight. We talked. We laughed. We remembered stories from when we were kids. Then we played a board game. She won, of course. Later, I read a book before bed. Real pages, not a screen. It's been a long time, I thought. The next morning, I picked up my phone from my friend. It had 37 notifications. But before I unlocked it, I smiled. Something had changed. We use our phones for everything. Work, fun, communication. They're helpful, yes. But sometimes it's good to disconnect, to notice the world again, to breathe a little slower, to listen, to look. Maybe I'll have more phone-free days, I thought. Just maybe.